Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Water sports, we are also aware about the issues that have been coming up. Water sports activities and थोडे tuning आमकां करपाची गरज आसा. Captain of ports becomes the nodal agency for giving permission. They identify the location and they give permission without looking whether tourism NOC आसा काय ना ती. ताज्या खातीर एक खळबळ जावन continuously once they get a captain of ports NOC, they are coming down to RFCs, applying for and taking this NOC, going back, and through a mess zala. We also acknowledge the mess. As of now, we are freezing every further water sports NOCs to be given to the water sports industry until and unless we review this whole thing. Honorable CM कडे उलयल्या captain of ports tourism industry कडे परसे कितें आसा ती tourismaची NOC घेवन मागीर captain of ports तांणी tourism activity apply करचे. त्याप्रमाणे we will make some slight changes on this. ना जाल्यार the industry tourismaक blame येता, but the tab is not there because the location is already identified. Captain of ports gives every activity a permission which they will give. Only for tourism purpose we will slightly change the model की tourismaची NOC घेऊन त्यांनी captain of ports गोष्टी मागीर identify जावन दिवचे. तितले पर्यंत सध्या activities under water sports for new permissions will be kept on hold.